To set up overdraft protection, start by logging in to your account using your user ID and password if you're already enrolled. New members will need to enroll by visiting the website and following the prompts. Once signed in, navigate to the Services tab and scroll down to the Account Maintenance category, where you'll select the Overdraft Transfer Service option. From there, choose the checking account you want to protect, as well as the primary and secondary accounts to transfer funds from in case of an overdraft. After selecting these accounts, read through and agree to the terms and conditions. Then submit to complete the setup process. With this service in place, if you have insufficient funds in your checking account, the system will automatically transfer money from your protected accounts to cover the overdraft, making it a straightforward process to manage your accounts.